Good girl. She's helping. She's taking all the rocks that I just put in that bucket and throwing them back out into the rock pile. With my little helper. Good girl, thank you. Wow, you are a helper. Yeah, what would I do without you? You gonna carry that bucket of rocks? Huh? No, hey. Oh my God. I just spent 10 minutes putting those rocks in there. And now Palanga's going to go ahead and take all of them out for me. Hey, psst. No, baby. No. Nay.
Yeah, my legs hurt from exercising. My knee from where I...
Psst. Hey, that's not a cookie. Palanga, no. That's not a cookie.
Hi.
Okay, that's a rock. That doesn't taste good, does it? Huh.
I should get Sean, huh?
Hey, no baby. Nay. Nay. Yeah. That's nasty, huh? That's horrible. It's not like that sweet yogurt you were eating. That's a lot better than rocks. Are you finished helping me? Nay. Oh, you have some more rocks for me? What a good girl. Don't you dare put those in your mouth. Put them in the bucket. Good girl. Put them in the bucket. Oh my goodness, that is a good girl. That's my little helper. That is my little helper. Hey, psst, hey, no. Nay. Palanga. Nay. Alright, Palanga, we're going to end this video. Talk to you next time.